So today we have shoots, I would say, at the Jesselton Hotel. I love the vibe here. It's more like English. The interior, I mean, it's classic. I love classic. I have always been a fan of classic. Alright, so after Turu SPF, what I'm gonna do is I'll be starting my makeup after Turu SPF, because this is actually, it is both skincare and a makeup primer at the same time, so it's very convenient. Try it. And when your base, yeah, that's what I remember. All the makeup artists were telling me that it's all about your base. If your base is, I wouldn't call it perfect, but if your base is hydrated, I mean, if you are hydrated, you're good to go. Your makeup will look amazing. So next, I think we don't have to wear foundation. This is the palette that I use for the cream blush. So we're gonna do cream blush using my hand. It's this one. And just dab it. Dab it on your cheek. It seems like my coffee is downstairs. Should I go pick them up? Should I? Maybe I should. I'm back. Okay. Coffee. I'm sorry, tummy. I'll eat now. I'm sorry. I should have eaten you first before coffee, but yeah. Let's just add more definition to the face. I mean, for me, makeup, it's complementing color on your skin. So you have to really find out. You have to really find out what color makes you look best and what color suits the mood. Because we all have different types of beauty. We have different types of skin tone, undertone. I have such a dry skin, and that goes to my lip especially. Okay, because it doesn't have a combination type. It's just dry. Okay, so you have to grab the fluffiest brush you have, and then you just sort of do this to your face. So the powder is supposed to set your cream product, yeah? Kasi balance lah juga dengan kamu punya leher, okay? The contour. Yep. It's time to learn one or two with me. Yeah, this one. So usually I am gonna start with under my chin. So here, I place it just right there. And just blend down. That's why I told you, you're gonna need both palette. But if you want just one, it's fine. And then this one, I'm gonna use, this is the white one, is Ozone palette. I love makeup. It's like I'm always painting. So thank you, makeup, for existing. Let's create more beautiful stuff together. Ini yang saya suka dengan Ozone palette. It's suitable for daily. It's absurdly beautiful. To all the white forehead girlies out there, hi. Here's some kisses and appreciation for you. And I feel like going to the toilet. Just take it like that and just like that, love. How I contour my eyelid is just here. Like that. And focusing on my outer crease, at the edge of my outer crease. Let's take a spoolie. Any spoolie that you have and just sisir di atas. Okay. You see that? Kasi kemas dulu kita punya kening. My eyebrow is easy to tame, but dia tidak rata. Dan sisir dia pakai tangan. Hah? Gitu. Oke. Ini yang putih nih. So kita kasih dia macam primer. Asal kamu beli palette, kamu akan dapat ini. Okay, this is the free gift. Ini guna dia untuk kamu kasih transfer pigment. Okay, dan ini kasih aku. And spread it to the edge of my eyelid. And then kasih spread inside. Ha. And then do the same with the other eye. Spread it inside. Alright. Pretty. Bianono. Bianono maksudnya ini kalilah. We put espresso at the edge of our eyelid. Is it enough? No. It's here. Hello there. Kecil-kecil tu. So I'm gonna use this one, Mirad, the burgundy. Macam biasa, Dijon juga. So we're mixing burgundy and espresso. Taking this, and then we're taking the shade Okito. Tak ni tengah-tengah. And then ambil blush powder from Asazo, the Osogi, and then you just brush the fallout like that. And then kita akan blend di outer crease kita. Bagian eyelash. Letak situ. The highlighter from Asazo. Highlighter daripada Asazo ni guys, it's quite orangey, Hawaii. Ini kita ambil yang daripada highlighter Ozone. And see,